Good morning, my dear student. You are most welcome in my online class. I can expect you are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. You know, I am Tushar Pal, Assistant Professor, English, Bajwa Sundranath College, Khulna. Okay. In my previous two classes, we discussed on narration. That is direct speech to indirect speech. We can get relief from this monotony of narration, and in order to get relief from this monotony, today we can do something else. Today we can learn something on English second paper, question number 14. You know, question number 14 is report writing. So today's class will be on report writing. Now, at first, we have to know what is report writing. Report writing is a kind of art of writing short composition. I repeat, report writing is a kind of art of writing short composition. A report may be written on incident, events, occasions, ceremonies, or festivals. I repeat, a report may be written on incidents, events, occasions, ceremonies, and festivals. Okay, what is the nature of a report? A report is actually a single paragraph. I repeat, a single paragraph. You know, a paragraph may have only one para, but in a report you can use more than one para. Okay, next point. So first point is a report is a single paragraph. Second point is it is described in indirect speech. We learned direct to indirect speech. So second point is a report is described in indirect speech. Next, the third point is it must be a real incident. I repeat, third point is it must be a real incident. And the fourth point is, so the first point, I repeat, first point is it is a single paragraph. Second point is it is described in indirect speech. Third point is it is written in on a real incident. Okay, and the fourth point may be it is written in easy and understandable language. That is, you have to use, when you write a report, easy and understandable language. Now we will learn how to write a report. First, in order to write a report, you have to maintain 7 points. I repeat, 7 points. If you remember that 7 points, you will be able to write a paragraph clearly. First, you have to write the name of the reporter. Sometimes it is written in the question paper. The question setter sometimes write, suppose you are Abir Ahmed, you are a staff reporter of a daily, now write a report. So if it is, the name is written in the question paper, you will use and you must use that name, that staff reporter, or what is indicated in the question paper. Okay, so the first point is you have to write the name of the reporter. This is first point. Second point is you have to write the designation. You may be staff reporter, cultural reporter, city reporter, etc. etc. If it is indicated or mentioned in the question paper, you will write that. If it is not, you can write staff reporter. This is number 2. Number 3, you will write the name of the newspaper which you are writing in the report. That is, you have to write the name of an English daily. This is the third point. Next, fourth point is you will mention your name of the office or local office from where you are doing the job as a reporter. It may be Khulna Bureau, Khulna branch, etc. Next, so this is the fourth point. Then the fifth point is you have to mention the date. You will write date, name of month and year. Then the sixth point is you will write a title of the report. A title of the report. Then you will underline that line. That is, headline will be underlined. Last point is you will write a long paragraph. It may have more than one para on the topic which you are writing. So this is the point. I repeat those points. Number 1, you have to write the name of the reporter. Then you have to write the designation, that is a staff reporter, maybe cultural reporter, crime reporter, etc. Next, number 3, the name of the paper. Number 4, name of the local office. Number 5, date. Number 6, title of the report, and you have to underline that line. And 7th point is the report, that is a long paragraph. So this is the way how we can write a report. Now look at the board. So this is report writing. First you have to write the name of the reporter. Suppose the name of the reporter is Abir Ahmed. Okay, this is first point. Next you have to write your designation. It may be a staff reporter, crime reporter, city reporter, etc., etc. So this is the second point. Then third point, you will write the name of the newspaper. You must write the name of an English daily, the Daily Observer. Next, fourth point is name of the local office. Here we have written Khulna Bureau. Next, the date, 30 September 2020. This is the fifth point. Then you will write a title of the report and you will underline that line. Suppose you are told to write a report on necessity of online class in this COVID-19 situation. I repeat, necessity of online class in this COVID-19 situation. We can start in this way. It can vary from man to man, from student to student. First, we can write, learning is a continuous process. You will use easy and simple language and understandable word. We can get informal learning from our family, society, and also from nature. On the other hand, we can get formal learning from our educational institutions. But the present COVID-19 situation has made the formal learning difficult. Most of the people of the world, including the learners and also the teachers, are now within the four walls of house. As a result, learning from educational institutions is being greatly hampered. In this critical moment, online class has become a great blessing and also very helpful to the students. Remaining safe in the house, they are attending the online classes. On the other hand, the teachers are also teaching the students, keeping themselves in a safe zone. Actually, it is being possible because of Digital Bangladesh, made by our dear Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. You also can write more other sentences to increase, to lengthen this report. This is the way how we can write a paragraph. You will try it at home, and I am sure you will be able to get a good mark in report. Thank you all.